Our seas are rising. Our coral reefs are bleaching. Our weather is off the charts weird. Climate change is serious stuff, but where's the sense of urgency? Maybe it's because we can't see the main cause of climate change, the rapidly growing levels of carbon dioxide. After all, CO2 is basically invisible. But what if we could? What if we could find a way to make CO2 visible? Well, a company called FLIR makes a special infrared camera that actually sees carbon dioxide. We borrowed it, and the hunt was on. Here's what a car's tailpipe looks like to the naked eye. And here's what the CO2 camera sees. And here's what the traffic on King Street looks like. And check out all the CO2 from this bus. Ships in the harbor look like giant floating torches. And CO2 shoots out of airplane engines like flares. All this can make you wonder about this stuff. Mitchell Colgan, chairman of the College of Charleston's Geology Department, gave us a crash course.
What fossil fuels are plant material that formed millions of years ago. They contain that sugars and the other materials that has a large amount of the carbon. We burn that carbon in oxygen and we produce CO2 in water. And you're changing the whole heat balance of the Earth.
Okay, back on the hunt. Vehicles are responsible for a third of the world's CO2 emissions, but power plants pump out another third. Here on Charleston's Peninsula is SCE&G's Haygood plant. To the eye, its stack looks dormant. The camera shows something else. Farther inland, Santee Cooper's plant in Cross is by far the biggest man-made source in South Carolina. Every year, it pumps out 25 billion pounds of CO2. We add carbon dioxide in so many ways. From yard work to the types of cars and trucks we drive. Yes, as the camera shows, we are surrounded by fires. Enough, in fact, to trap heat equivalent to 4 atomic bombs going off every second. So we live in a world of combustion, and climate change isn't going away. But at least its source isn't invisible anymore. It's as real as the switch you just flipped, the pedal you just pushed, and the breath you're about to take.